a bit different. I'll take it all back. I think there is a slight difference between a race car and a road car.
This is Ant, and he just got out of a NAPA Racing touring car whilst being driven by Dan Rowbottom. Ant challenged himself and his garage to build a replica touring car out of all NAPA OEM parts, and today's the day he gets to take it to the track.
We buy a lot of NAPA parts in our garage. You've seen it on some of our other videos, but we buy a lot of NAPA car parts. So what we said was, we really enjoy the touring cars, we really enjoy the Focus, and the guys there, they're really embracing what we're doing. So what we've said was, we're going to build our own touring car out of as many NAPA car parts as possible. And this is what we've done. The guys at AAK have done an amazing job. So we've probably got in excess of 80 NAPA part numbers on this car. Suspension, brakes, steering, alternators, is everything that we can fit NAPA on this car is on this car. And today is D-Day, where we're actually going to put it up against the current 2024 BTCC car and see how we fare. So see actually how a car that you can make in a garage is going to fare against the cars that these race teams make. We've just really tried to embrace everything that the NAPA car race team has. We've tried to embrace it and actually build a car using all those parts. Today we've got, as you can see on the back, we've actually got Rowbo driving our car. He's going to drive this car and he's going to take me out in his car as well. So I'm not allowed to drive the touring car, so to get the best timings, the same driver's got to do it. But we have got a bet on at the moment, and that is, if my car wins, I win, I'm happy with that. But if I do lose, he gets to take my other car out the track.
It's my time to try and take this out, see what it can do. So we're going to get ready and have a go now.
Excited and nervous at the same time, but I'm sure I'm in good hands with Dan. And yes, this is what 2.5 months of work is. So I'm just, as long as it makes it around the track, I'm happy at the moment. So yeah, wish me luck.
How was that?
You made it, so it's, all 4 wheels are still on it. That's fine. Out the brakes.
So just came out of the car at Anglesey. The thing's a lot quicker than I thought it was going to be. Obviously the limitations are road car suspension and pads. But you know what? Ant's done a great job. The guys at AAK built a car that's, you know, it lasted a bit of torture out there, so that's really good. They're so different to a British touring car at the end of the day. The hours and the intricacy that goes into a BTC car, you can't do it without a full crew of race engineers. But, you know, fair play to the guys. They put something together that's pretty quick and it lasted around the track. I'm now going to take Ant out in our British touring car, show him what an actual British touring car feels like. I think he'd be quite surprised at the difference. It'd be great to get his reaction, and it's a real treat. This is a real special occasion for most people. They'll never get to get in a British touring car, so hopefully he enjoys it.
bit different. I'll take it all back. I think there is a slight difference between a race car and a road car. That is something different. That is different level of car. I was coming really confident. I've gone and watched lots of touring car races. I've seen them up close. I've been in the garage, but I've never been out in one. And I was probably coming in a little bit too confident with my car because I know that we've put a lot of time, a lot of effort into it. We've got a lot of power and the car is set up as best as what we can do with what we've used. So we were limited with what we were using, but the product has actually held up really well on our car. However, that is apples and oranges. That touring car is unreal. And after ours 3 or 4 laps, we kind of knew it had been driven. That touring car felt like it could do that for all day. And yeah, I'm really proud and happy how this one's turned out, but that is different level.
And although Ant's AAK Focus held its own on the day, the clock doesn't lie, and Rowbo doesn't let a bet slide.
Lost a bet, and this is happening now, isn't it? I haven't even had time to tidy it.